Hi guys, we're back. Now the sauce that we did in the last video, it's all ready to go. It's night time now, the family's home, they're wanting to eat, so I'm gonna cook some pasta for them. The sauce is in this pot, as you remember, and there it is there, I'll show you. Beautiful, beautiful red sauce. Smells magic, and can't wait to eat it. What I've done now is put a pot of water on there. I'll turn it on. Now once that comes to a boil, what we're going to do, we're going to have fettuccine number 6 tonight. So it says on the pack, you can follow the instructions on the packet, it says 13 minutes to cook, but that's al dente, so I normally like it just a touch, and the family likes it just a touch more than that, just a touch more cooked. So we're probably going to leave it longer than that. We're going to probably leave it, I don't know, 15, but we'll taste it and see how it goes. So that's what we're going to do. As soon as that water comes to a boil, make sure your pot's full right up, as much as water as you can get it without flowing over, because the pasta needs to swim in water to cook well. So fill up your pot with water, bring it to the boil, add some salt to it. Now, I mean, I like to put a bit of extra salt in the water because it drains away. So I'll do that now while it's coming to the boil. So I normally put in 2 of these spoons. That should normally be enough for the pasta we're going to cook. Okay guys, well I'm back now and the pot's boiling. I don't know if you can see it, the steam coming off the top there, it's ready to roll. We've got the fettuccine here. I'm going to open her up. I mean, this part of the deal is really simple, it's not that hard. I mean, all you've got to do is put the pasta in the water and wait for it to cook. You just got to let it, it's going to flow over sometimes, so you take the lid off. And we're going to put the whole packet in because everybody's hungry tonight. So, and whatever's left, I can have it for lunch tomorrow. Anyway, so that's in. Push it around in. Now I've salted the water, put it in. We'll just press it all under the water. Now it's going to take a little while to reboil. So now because you've got so much water in it, you've got to be careful and don't put your lid totally on, otherwise it just overflows all the time, okay? So just, it goes into your gas there and carries on and the flame goes up and blah, blah, you know. So we've got it in there. I'm going to take a quick look at the clock. Okay, it's 6 minutes to 6. So 13 minutes from there. And I'll check it and we'll taste it every now and then, see how it is. And when to our tasting, we will pull it out and put it on our plates, plate it up and feed the family. So, yeah. Still hard, still got to go. It's only actually been 6 minutes, so yeah, I would expect it to be hard, so we'll wait until it's ready. Another 10, 15. I'd say 10 more minutes and we should be. I think while I'm waiting, I might have a sip of wine, which I made myself. This is Calabrese wine, so there we go. It'll help the pasta cook. Cheers. Just going to check this pasta again, see what it tastes like. As you can see, it's getting a little bit, it's getting nice and loose now. It's not stiff anymore, so it's getting close to being cooked. Let's try it out. Put on a bit on your finger like that. So it's very close, very close. Still a little touch hard in the middle, but we're nearly there. And everyone's on my taste because they're hungry. So I can't make it cook any faster, but it's getting there. Yep, it's looking very, very good. Very soft. I think it's okay, but I'm going to get the expert to test this, which is my daughter, because she's real fussy. So I'm going to take her a little strand in, and I'll be back, okay? I'll be back and see if she likes it. So we've got the big thumbs down. It's got to stay in longer. She thinks it's a little bit chewy, so we're going to leave it because we've got to make our daughters happy. So let's leave it a bit longer. Okay, here we got a colander, which in Calabrese is called scuola pasta. Scuola pasta. There you go. I'm giving you a language lesson as well. Anyway, we'll put this in the sink ready to drain the water. So we're getting close. I think it's got to be pretty close. It's got to be pretty close. We'll give it a bit more of a stir. I'll zip out another one. I'll go for another walk. Steph, you there? We got the big thumbs up, so off goes the stove. Off comes the lid. And now we're going to drain this. Okay, while that's draining, I'm just going to get some sauce here, and we'll put one ladle load in the bottom of the pot here, maybe two. And then what we'll do, we're going to pour that pasta back in there. Oh, my glasses are fogging up here. Okay, and we'll take it back over here. Give it a good stir with that sauce, get it right through the pasta. Buon appetito, let's go and eat. Everybody, you ready? Come on, let's go. Here it is, the finished product, because you can.